Do you know how to make yourself discipline? Most people think discipline comes from motivation. It doesn't. Motivation gets you started. Discipline keeps you going when motivation disappears. Here are 7 powerful ways to build discipline quickly. Number 1. Start small to win big. Want to know why most goals fail? Because you try to change everything overnight. Don't promise yourself you'll study for 5 hours or exercise for 2 hours. Start with 5 minutes. Small wins build momentum, and momentum builds discipline. Number 2. Stop waiting for motivation. Motivation is unreliable. Some days it's there, most days it isn't. Successful people don't ask, "Do I feel like doing it?" They ask, "What does my schedule say?" Your feelings change. Your commitments shouldn't. Number 3. Remove temptations. Discipline becomes easier when distractions disappear. Put your phone away. Block distracting websites. Create an environment that supports your goals. Number 4. Make non-negotiable rules. Instead of saying, "I'll work out if I have time," say, "I work out every day at 6 p.m. No debate, no excuses. Number 5. Learn to be uncomfortable. Discipline grows every time you do something you don't feel like doing. The more discomfort you tolerate, the stronger your self-control becomes. Number 6. Track your progress. Keep a streak calendar or habit tracker. People are less likely to break a chain they can see growing. 7. Focus on identity. Don't say, "I'm trying to be disciplined." Say, "I am a disciplined person." Your actions tend to follow the identity you believe about yourself. So be honest with yourself. What's the one goal you've been postponing for months? And what would happen if you finally became disciplined enough to work on it every single day?